So apparently I got talked into going to another temple today just because we can jump in a waterfall after, so clearly I'm quite easily led. Keep you updated. That's an unbelievable lift in A's. In the back of a red truck.
Perfect. I love that it's just gonna get cheaper from here. It's great.
Time for the little hike up to Phra temple, which is... You're ruining my video. Which is the most revered temple in Chiang in Thailand. So I'm read online that from the bottom where I just come from up to the top is 309 steps for another temple. Just doing it for the waterfall. This isn't easy. Woo! There's a ticket. Temple rules. I like the keep your head lower than Buddha images of monks. Okay, you're there.
Hey, it's me, Johnny, from America.
Why'd you look so sad in my video?
Do I?
You look so sad.
I'm super nervous.
This is why these temples always look so good. Because they're forever working on them. I just don't really know what else to say in the content of these videos about temples anymore, guys. You know, it's nice, it's colourful. It's not colourful, it's more of a bright gold, isn't it? Everything else around here is colourful though. It is impressive. But, yeah, I don't really know what else to say apart from I'm dripping with sweat in trousers after that long walk. This Buddha is how I wish I was right now laying down. Hello! Hi! Oh, the monks are so cool, I'll give them that. So just had like some kind of lesson with this monk. And now I think we get a cool little wristband that probably has a lot of meaning behind it that I'm not sure of. Thank you. Blessed and protected is what I reckon it means. We can't be beaten. Oh, you got it for free. You do look like a nurse. Look, sexy nurses at the temple.
How are you feeling today?
A bit sick.
Oh yeah?
Now this I can do.
Like I could have so many different languages and names.
Why have I always been told money doesn't grow on trees? So, the temple might not have been the most amazing thing in the world, but look at this view. This is unreal. Oh, it's so sunny. Wow, so this is Chiang Mai, where we've come from. The view is incredible.
Right there, though.
Now's your moment.
Right, you actually want to beat it?
Now's your moment. You only have to do it lightly. Oh, thank you for the anticlimax.
The monks are
I'm
right
sure
there.
everyone will enjoy that.
Look, look.
Look, look.
He's watching me. Look, look.
They're really enjoying the temple. This is a bit of an anticlimax. I was expecting to go swimming. All squished in another little van to get to the waterfall where we can actually swim at. Realised we've all squished in and there's all these seats we could have got in here. Brilliant. Go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Pretty fucking good.
Oh, it looks good on the picture. Perfect. So, we're on the 3K walk up to the waterfall because our man in the taxi decided to just drop us off at the entrance and drive off. Very out of breath.
I'm here too.
Yeah, we're both here, we just can't breathe. Dying. This better be a good waterfall. Hitched a lift and left everyone else.
London.
Yeah, I'm from London. Left everyone else back walking.
United States.
Yes,
Let's
we're here.
fucking rage!
There we go. Left everyone else halfway down the hill. Sorry.
It is so slippery.
I can just see. This is lovely. Living the dream, baby. There they are. Distant travellers. It's raining men. Hallelujah.
It's raining men!
Chiang Mai Waterfall completed, mate. Back in Chiang Mai Centre, just at the night bazaar, gonna get some food and a drink for everyone that comes to the temple. Still sporting my towel skirt. So, found a little hidden gem, the night bazaar food market. You just walk around, pick what you want, and go sit down. We're all over there. This looks lovely. Made my choice. Look at that for the equivalent of £3.50 English. Wow.
Chiang's man couldn't hold it for much more than a couple of minutes. What is it? The answer is bread. In second place, guys, you have another time.